On this next video, I'm going to show you guys how to create RSS to Tumblr Zap. If you already have watched our first video, which is the RSS to WordPress Zap, you already kind of have the idea what we should do next, right? Because it's the same thing. The only difference is that we are going to connect to Tumblr instead of WordPress. So let's proceed. First, click the orange button. Same thing as before. Search for RSS by Zapier, I mean. Click the search box. We're going to use the new item in feed. We're going to click continue. The feed URL, you will have to put your feed URL that has at least one published content, right? Click continue. Test your trigger. Click continue. Going to search for Tumblr. Click the search box. This time we're going to choose create text post. Click continue. Sign in your Tumblr account. Now I already have logged in my Tumblr account, so it detected, and now I'm going to allow this. Click allow. Click continue. Click the box. Now this is the name of my Tumblr blog, Foxy. Click it. On the title, you can use the title snippet, if that's what it's called. The body, we should use raw encoded. Format, we can use Markdown, HTML, but I'm going to use Markdown. Doesn't matter. Tags, you can use whatever tags you have. If you have more than 2 tag, you can separate it with a comma. Custom URL, use link snippet. Make images on inline, doesn't matter. State, published. Click continue. Now we have the test action. You should be seeing publish button, yes. Click publish and turn on. Easy peasy. Yep, it's turned on. Another thing, rename it RSS to Tumblr or whatever you wanna name it. back. Yes, it's turned on. Now let's check our Tumblr blog account. Mine's already logged in. Yep. Yep. See right here? This is properly been published. Same as the source. So we're good to go. Well, you can delete it or you can keep it. Now it's good.